Our restaurant is different than other restaurants because we're targeting for a family-friendly environment. And we do not serve beer or any alcohol drinks. I'm a Christian, and so I promote Christianity around here. And we try to provide good food at low cost.
We find that we have a lot of repeat customers and they really like our wing selection.
Well, we only have 100 flavors.
My favorite is actually the spicy honey garlic parmesan.
Other favorite ones would be honey mild, garlic pepper, lemon pepper, and teriyaki. I believe the hottest wings that we have is jalapeno bomb that is blended with ghost pepper, which used to be the hottest pepper. You can actually create your own flavor, so possibility is endless. My favorite mix is honey mild with lemon pepper mix. We don't just have wings here, we have burgers, salad, fish, chicken tender. I know that a lot of people like Phillies, especially Korean Phillies. It's blended with Korean sauce, and I know that some people drive as far as like 12 miles just to get it. Our burgers are called monster burgers because it is with half-pound beef patties.
Hi, welcome to WACH. How may we help you?
Among that burgers, we have Korean burgers that's made with kalbi sauce. What makes it unique is we use that sauce to marinate the beef, and we put with a lot of vegetables.
There you go.
And so if you try it for the first time, it's pretty amazing. We have Lexington location at 5454 Sunset Boulevard, Suite B, and that's been open for over a year. And here in Harbison, 280 Harbison Boulevard, Suite A, will be opening next Monday.